Yeah, I absolutely love it. This little swirly whirly thingy at the top is absolutely stunning. And it came with a his and her sink. Hey there, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's Nest. So today is my house tour. I'm gonna be showing you guys a tour of the home. So yeah, it's looking a little bit rough, but this is my home in its natural state, and I want to share that with you guys. So if that sounds good to you, let's get into the house tour. Let's get it, let's go. Woo. So just a quick little blurb of the house tour. So yeah, we've been here for exactly 1 week. We moved in last week, and it is a townhouse. It has 3 floors plus the balcony, which is on the top floor. So yeah, let's start from the beginning. Obviously, I'm not gonna show you guys the window because yeah, I'm always scared of like docking and whatnot. So here is the door, the front of the door, and then over here are the jackets. I wish I could have shown you guys this when everything was empty, but unfortunately I didn't have time to do that, so you get to see what it looks like fully stacked. So I do live with my husband and his mom, so, or rather she lives with us, so that's what it looks like. Over here we have a cute little stand. So this is the living room. I'm gonna try to like, okay, yeah, and the window is so beautiful. It's like from the top to the bottom, it's absolutely gorgeous. Over here we have our cute little plants that have made it along. I decluttered some of them that I didn't really like, and I kept the ones I really did like this funny looking one. It's my special one. It needs a stick to grow, otherwise it just topples over. And then over here, this is the kitchen area. So there's this table. It can extend to make it bigger, but usually it's only Will and I eating together. His mom eats separately because of our work schedules. Then in the evenings, we just have like little cozy vibes over here, and we just kind of like sit and chill. This has become my work bag because I have to go up and down 3 flights of stairs. So I have to like pack my work stuff and then put it in there. So it's just like the coffee station, guys, is a vibe. I'm super excited to show you guys the coffee station. So this is my coffee station. I absolutely love it. So I have the Nespresso machine here, and then over here I have my little favorite items. So currently I am loving the almond croissant from Nespresso. I think that is really good. Then that one is the regular flavor, and then the gingerbread. The gingerbread is the holiday special, which is really good. I think that is amazing. I absolutely love the seasonal drinks at Nespresso. They are just like chef's kiss. They're so good. Then down here, this is just like miscellaneous junk I have to get around to organizing. As I said, I've only been here for a week, so I kind of just, you know, packed and dumped. So that's why that's looking kind of rough. So that's what that looks like. Because I'm not the one who cooks in the house. It's Will's mom. She does the cooking. So the kitchen is more her area. I can show you guys what the inside of the fridge looks like. Yeah, our household is definitely a lot more traditional in the sense that like his mom takes care of the cooking. I'm busy working. I really don't have time. But I still think it's pretty organized still. Like she keeps it pretty like minimal and organized. I think it looks really good. I think everybody in the family kind of got rid of the habit of hoarding. I think we've kind of realized like we're going to be okay. We don't need to hoard. Let me show you guys a snack that I've just been loving. This one, it's the Pop-Tarts and the mini bites. Sometimes I think like a full Pop-Tart is too much. The mini bites is everything. And then you can always seal it and then come back and eat it later. It seems like somebody else had that idea. Definitely Will's mom. I recognize those clips. This is also really good. I love eating like Asian snacks. They are the best. They are great for like keeping your body healthy and having a good little some nibbles. So I'm gonna go up the stairs and show you guys the stairs. It is 3 floors. Kind of annoying, but let's do it. Oh, right. So this is just garbage we need to take down. So yeah, it is really cool. We also have stairs that come down here, and the stairs lead directly to the storage room, which then has a second door, and it takes you to the garage. But I don't want to go all the way down there, so we're just going to leave that. And then this is like a little storage place that's beside the kitchen. So it kind of comes down. We're definitely going to buy something to fit in there for the time being. It's looking kind of rough, so that's why that looks like that. And then over here we have the bathroom. So this is the guest bathroom. I guess it's kind of like a powder room because it doesn't have a shower. So it's just a little powder room so guests can use the washroom and they don't have to go upstairs. Again, it looks like an awful mess because we are busy working and no one really has time to like organize this stuff. More random stuff. That's like my second monitor. I gotta install that. So So over here we have the washer and dryer. So So that's the dryer. We don't really use it. We have a rack upstairs, and I will show you guys that in a sec. And then over there is laundry. I gotta do that later after I finish filming. It's so cute. It's like with the open hole and white. I absolutely love the aesthetic. And then over here we have Will's mom's bathroom. So that's her own bathroom. And obviously I'm not going to film that because that's very private. But as you guys can see, it has the tub style, a bath, like a toilet, and then the sink over here. So that's hers. And then this is her room. But obviously I'm not going to film that because it's very private. That's hers. It's the same layout as Will's office. So same. I guess this would be kind of like for one child and another child or an office. So it's the same style. So let's move on. Let's turn off these lights. So this is now going to the second floor. So I have miscellaneous things that I gotta fix. Let's go up the stairs. And then this is our floor. I like to change my shoes. This basket is absolutely top tier. I got this from Walmart. Chef's kiss. Like, look at that aesthetic, guys. And it's really sturdy with these like metal rods. So let's change shoes. We bought a vacuum that's for the carpet because the rooms are carpeted, which is really cool. I do absolutely love the staining on the wood. So you can see that, I don't know if you can see from here, maybe from here. This is like a very icy white, but it's not white. In some parts, you can see that it's actually like an ashy gray white tone, but not white. And it goes so well with the wood. Just so modern, so icy, so fresh. So over here, this is a linen closet. That's kind of become like my purse closet. Yeah, so it's a little bit organized, very cute. I definitely need to kind of organize that. And then just miscellaneous things that I just don't really want cluttering up the bathroom. They go here. And I have to get this closet fixed. It's like kind of stuck. So there's my stuff, my 2 heels. Then I have a shoe rack. There's some shoes that I need to kind of organize. It's actually pretty good. I gotta declutter some of these. I already did a massive declutter. I'm gonna do like another round. I wanted to take my time with it. That's my 3rd monitor I'm gonna install as a TV in the room. Then these are clothes that I'm already gonna declutter. I have filmed it, so they will be coming soon. They're on my computer. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing some major declutters because I don't have any storage space in the room to store these, and they're clothes I just really don't like to wear. So again, it's those gray tones that I absolutely hate and I'll be letting go of. So let's go up the stairs. So this is like technically the 4th floor, and it has like a terrace. It also has where we just hang stuff and then in here is the boiler room. I don't know if I can get in there. Can I get in there? So yeah, this is just kind of like a generic boiler room. So yeah, it's like up on the upper floor, some extra tiles. So then there's the terrace. I actually don't even know how to get onto the terrace. I've never even been to the terrace. So you and I are going to the terrace together for the first time. So let's see what's the terrace. I can't believe I've been here for a week and I've never gone up here. I have not had the time. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Whoa, this is very cute. So this is what the terrace looks like. Very cute. And then from here you can like see the neighbors, which is really cool, really cute. I'm definitely gonna probably set up a mat or something and sunbathe in the summer and get my tan on. That would be absolutely fantastic. Probably like do some barbecuing in there. I can see from the neighbor from like down there, if I crouch, there's like, what do you call that? You can barbecue. I see some people barbecue. And now I'm gonna show you guys my room. So I just came down the stairs and we're on the 3rd floor, and now we're gonna go into my room. So this is the master bedroom. This is on the 3rd floor. Don't mind that, I'm just doing laundry. So it's looking kind of rough because I'm working in the mornings now, so there's no time to get stuff done. This area though is very cute. I absolutely love taking pictures of this area. And then here's all my clothes because I don't have a stand or a second closet, so they're just kind of like chilling bare naked in public. It is what it is. I did try to fold it very cutely though. So that's what she looks like. Open up the curtain. I don't usually like the curtain. I like to like bring it up to this point, and then that's what she looks like. And then here's my desk, and it's literally the Mickey from IKEA that I've been hauling around since university. So yeah, that is my desk setup since I work from home. So yeah, I do a lot of work there, and she's cute. I have to carry up so many water bottle, guys, because I can't go up and down anymore. So like that needs to be like that. And then the bed, I'm sleeping Japanese style currently at the moment till I figure out what I want to do. But to be honest, it's been really, really, really nice because the carpet is thick and then the bed is thick, like the futon. It's technically a mattress topper that we've kind of upcycled into just being a mattress. But it's great because like it folds up and vacuuming underneath is really good. So yeah, like it would just like, it folds up so we can just like vacuum and it's like really easy. And then over here is my little vanity set that I absolutely love. So let's take off our shoes. It's just the mood. So over here, this is where I do my makeup before I go and I do work. So yeah, I absolutely love it. This little swirly whirly thingy at the top is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love that thing. So beautiful. Originally, I bought it to go on top of a vanity, but I am not hauling a second vanity up the stairs. Like that thing, I was sweating so hard bringing that up. I'm not doing that with this. So we are doing everything a la Japanese. This table will do. It's literally just a rack, but I treat it like a table. And then I have this super cute lamp that I absolutely love. This very cute little lamp from Winners. She's so beautiful. She fits the vibe. And the lamp is like yellow, so it's a night vibe. And then the his and her closets, which are absolutely stunning. This is Will's. Not very exciting. It's just his stuff. I'm not going to film that because that's kind of private. So that's just Will's side. My side though, guys, oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. So you can see that the closet is a little bit on the smaller side. Maybe some people might argue this is pretty big, and I just haven't really figured out how to utilize the space optimally. I would love to. I would love to figure out how to get all of that into here without making the thing stuffed as hell. I probably should utilize that space. But it's just such a vibe. So I have like all my Chanel stuff up there and it just fills me with joy. My Majov Ghost burrito box, my Dior stuff. So freaking cute. There's nothing inside of them. I could utilize the space a little better, but currently that's what I'm vibing with. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And then down here at the bottom, I have a rack, just like my bralettes, my underwear, yeah, and then my socks and just like miscellaneous stuff. I could definitely do better with this, but for the time being, this is good enough. Like, I've only been here for a week, so I will definitely film like a closet tour once everything is looking fresh and top tier. So for the time being, that will just stay as is. Let us go into the bathroom. So the bathroom is absolutely top tier. I did mention before that the bathroom for me was the thing that sealed the deal for me. I was like, oh my gosh, look at these lamps, absolutely stunning. Put this door here. It's always kind of annoying. And it came with a his and her sink. So this is Will's. And obviously this one is mine. And here I have my makeup remover, my favorite things to use, Dior hand cream, some foundation, perfume, a little Chanel lippy, some hand soaps, one from Aesop, and then another Peck Smells. Then just daily stuff that I need, like deodorant and sunscreen. She's French put me on Sunbum, and I absolutely love it. Top tier. The bathroom, guys, absolutely stunning. I love it. I mean, I'm not making it look very aesthetic with the current state of affairs. We had a caddy at the old apartment, and I don't like it. I don't want it to like stain and ruin the inner part of the thing. So for the time being, I'm kind of using a broom to just kind of clean stuff. I also bought a squeegee to clean down the things when I clean. Does it look aesthetic? Probably not, but we'll just pretend that's not there for the time being. But this is what the bathroom looks like. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. And then we just have a little mat here. The floor is also marble walls. Absolutely love it. Keeping everything in line. Over here we put the hamper. The hamper, well, I'm currently doing laundry, so that's why it's looking like that. I changed the garbage. I treated myself to a white garbage. I don't know if you guys knew, but in my old place, I literally use like an old Sephora makeup bag. Like, I was like, let's not do that anymore. So I actually have a proper garbage. It's really nice. Obviously it's white to match the aesthetic. If I can get it in white, I prefer it in white. So yeah, that is the house tour. I hope that you guys could have enjoyed. The sun is killing my eyes. Oh, much better. So I hope that you guys could have enjoyed the house tour. That was so much fun to show you guys, take you guys around. Very minimal, very low key. She's a cute little townhouse. And yeah, I really hope to enjoy the entire year that I'm here for the lease. Have a good time, take you guys around. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.